As we get closer to Halloween, there's nothing quite as scary as a bad map. You get the drill by now. It's time to return to the series where I look at several bad maps and die of horror. Many of these maps were actually sent to me by some of you guys, but hilariously I forgot about the folder these were kept in, so many of these were actually sent to me months ago. But hey, that just means I had to look at these with fresh eyes again. Lovely. But before we get to the maps, let's get through this video's sponsor, Ridge Wallets. None of you should be surprised at this point that I love Ridge Wallets. It's one thing that they gave me a wallet, but I'm still using their wallet, and several months into it, I can't see myself going back to a normal wallet anytime soon. I found that storing my cards and ID with the Ridge Wallet design has not only kept them safe and secure, but also the edges haven't been chafed down, which is nice. If you want a Ridge wallet, be sure to use the code EMPEROR with the link down below to get a 10% discount. Thanks again to Ridge for sponsoring this video. So for our first map, we gotta start with a bad World War I map. There's a dozen of these. This one already gave Germany Poland, and I don't know what they're trying to do with Austria-Hungary. Not sure why Ukraine isn't colored as a part of Russia either. And then to top it all off, the weird texture this map has doesn't really help it at all. 3 out of 10. This next one is trying to show a map of the Louisiana Purchase, hence the picture of Thomas Jefferson here. What I don't understand is how this is accurate except for, I don't know. It includes Texas. Texas wouldn't be acquired for another 42 years after the Louisiana Purchase, so this is quite a mistake. 5 out of 10. Ah! Oh my gosh, Germany, what have they done to you? Silesia isn't supposed to look like that. Bavaria was squished to the west for some reason to, get it away. 1 out of 10. This next map may not look as bad at first, but then you realize that this is some weird reality where they tried the Atlantropa project for the Black Sea and somehow Ecuador got a land bridge to the Galapagos Islands. Also, Greenland spilled. Oops. It's not the worst, but definitely several notable mistakes. 5 out of 10. Okay, so ignoring the fact that this label at the bottom claims these areas were all history covers before the discovery of the Americas is really stupid, this map, where do I begin? Babylon did not control the Arabian coastline. Carthage did not control that much of North Africa. There's a Persia and then a Parthia in Persia right next to each other, which is weird. Armenia is given land too far north. Spitsbergen is highlighted for some reason. Then to top it all off, many of these nations labeled are of a different time period than Carthage, Parthia, and Babylonia. What time period is this supposed to be set in? If it's ancient, then Italy needs to be Rome, not Italy. I don't know. Then this bit in the corner mentions something about Genesis. Is this supposed to be like areas in the book of Genesis? I mean, that'd include the entire world technically, since it tells the creation of the earth. Whatever, I'm overthinking this. Then, on the 7th day I wept, out of 10. Well, okay then, this map has excellent coasts, excellent borders. There's just a bit of an issue with the labels and cities here. Ireland is put on Iceland, Sweden is put over Norway, France is in Germany, Poland is in Belarus, and if that isn't bad enough, we have Oslo in Bulgaria, Copenhagen in Sweden, London in Scotland, Madrid in Portugal. Honestly, the list goes on and on here. 4 out of 10. Alright, now let's see what this final map is. The map that always seems to be the worst map of the bunch. Yeah, definitely a nope out of 10. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe, and of course you can support this channel through my Patreon. I'm Emperor Tigerstar, and I'll see you guys next time.